Aubazines, also spelled Aubazine, is a commune in the Gers department in the Nouvelle-Aquitaine region of central France. The inhabitants of the commune are known as Aubazinois or Aubazinoises. Aubazines is a commune in the Massif Central located some 10 km east by northeast of Brive-la-Gaillarde and 12 km southwest of Toul. The D1089 highway passes through the northwest of the commune going from Malamort-sur-Gers to Toul. However, access to the village is by the D130 branching off the D1089, going south to the village, and continuing south to Baynat. The D48 also goes east from the village to Le Chastang with the D48E branching off it in the east of the commune to go north to Cornell. The D14E1 also goes southwest from the village to join the D14A railway line passes through the commune parallel to the D1089 and the station for Aubazines is at Gare d'Aubazine in the neighbouring commune Saint-Hilaire-Peyrou. The line is served by the Turn Nouvelle-Aquitaine trains from Brive-la-Gaillarde to Clermont-Ferrand. The village is in the south of the commune on a promontory overlooking the Coirou at a height of over 150 meters. Apart from the village there are the hamlets of Pauillac-Basse, Pauillac-Haute, Villiers, Ferganzac, Le Varageau, Roques-Sous, Chastanal, Cotter-Routes, and Les Veillers. The commune is mixed forest and farmland. The Gers River forms the northwestern border of the commune as it flows southwest to join the V. Copyright 0 west of Brive-la-Gaillarde. A number of streams rise in the commune to join the Gers including the Ruisseau de la Gainda, 2.7 km long, which rises near Cotter-Routes and flows north to join the Ruisseau de Bras in Cornell commune which flows to the Gers, the Ruisseau Franace, and the Canal des Moines which branches from the Coirou. The lowest altitude of the commune is 126 meters in the west where the Gers leaves the commune. The highest points are 520 meters high on the Puy de Pauillac which dominates the area, and in the southeast next to Le Chastang near a place called La Juriste. The village of Aubazines, which had a church, became a commune in the French Revolution in 1790 through the dismantling of the parish of Cornell, but it lacked vital records until March 1, 1792. Aubazines, formerly written Aubazine, has its origin in the foundation of a monastery by Jean de Villezot in the 12th century. The monastery was affiliated shortly after to the Cistercian order. Very soon an associated convent of nuns was established in the village of Coirou a few hundred meters away. The two monasteries existed until the Revolution. Formerly spelled Aubazine, the parish depended on Cornell. The site of the monastic institutions and their dependencies have been the object of archaeological excavations and extensive studies in the last third of the 20th century under the direction of Professor of Medieval History Bernadette Barrier. The village of Gare d'Aubazine, although located in the commune of Saint-Hilaire-Peyrou, is an integral part of the history of Aubazines and of Dampniat than that of Saint-Hilaire. Th station was established at a place called Confaux-Lens. However, as the station was primarily to serve Aubazines even though it was on the territory of the neighbouring commune, the council demanded a composite name. The railway acceded to the demand and the stop, which was called Aubazine Saint-Hilaire-Peyrou, became Aubazine thereafter. Saint-Hilaire-Peyrou have their own stop at Pont-Bonnel. Before 1840, the date of the opening of Route Nationale N89, there was nothing at the bottom of this valley other than the worn-out mills of Confaux-Lens and Dampniat commune, Clairdent in Aubazines commune, and Jail in Malamort-sur-Gers commune, which were accessible only on narrow, bumpy, and steep slopes by goods wagons. Horses, mules, and donkeys circulated more often than carts. The village, now called Gare d'Aubazine, was rather poorly named. The SNCF station is located on the right bank of the Gers in the territory of Saint-Hilaire-Peyrou, while the left bank belongs largely to Dampniat with the nearest village located 2 km away. The Confaux-Lens bridge and paper mill added to progress together with the railway at the end of the 19th century, and in 1912 the establishment of a railhead for the departmental tram line going to Turin, then Bully-sur-Dordogne via Le Bosplas, completed this action. The Tocket had disappeared by 1932, replaced by a bus, and the agglomeration of the Gare d'Aubazine retained its thriving business. New houses were built and a school with 2 classes was opened for the children. Their parents climbed to Dampniat to learn to read. In June 1944 Maquisards destroyed the Clairdent railway bridge, blocking a German armored train and preventing convoys of equipment from the manufacture of weapons at Toul from being quickly transported to their destination on the front or the Rhine. List of successive mayors. In 2017 the commune had 914 inhabitants. The evolution of the number of inhabitants is known from the population censuses conducted in the commune since 1793. From the 21st century, a census of communes with fewer than 10,000 inhabitants is held every 5 years, unlike larger towns that have a sample survey every year. Population over time. The commune has 2 structures that are registered as historical monuments. A stone circle at Puy de Pauillac. The Canal des Moines with a length of 1.7 kilometers, it was built to supply the village. It is the only canal of its kind still operating in Europe. It dominates the gorges of Coiroux. Other sites of interest are the Dolmen of Rocs Sous, the Saut de la Bergre Rock, a 70 m high cliff where, according to legend, a shepherdess was thrown from to escape dishonor. The tourist center and Lake Coiroux. 2 religious buildings are registered as historical monuments and 1 more contains historical objects. Remains of the old monastery of Coiroux. It contains many items that are registered as historical objects. Statue, Sainte Marie Madeleine. Statue, Nicodeme. Group sculpture, Virgin and Saint John. Group sculpture, setting on a tomb. The old abbey Saint Etienne and monastic buildings of the ancient Cistercian abbey founded in 1142 by Saint Etienne, the first abbot. The abbey contains many items registered as historical objects. Group sculpture, Saint Roch. Statuette, Virgin and Child playing with a bird. Master altar, altar, seating, tabernacle, pedestal, statue. 3 stalls. Statue, Saint Etienne of Aubazines. Group sculpture, Virgin of Pity. Bas-relief, Saint Etienne Harding holding the habit of Saint Bernard of Clairvaux. Bas-relief, Saint Etienne Harding, Abbot of Citeaux, granting the Charter of Charity. Cabinet. Altar cross. 4 plates on a shrine. Reliquary cross. Recumbent statue, Saint Etienne of Aubazines. Tomb of Etienne of Aubazines. Total of 42 stalls. Statue, Virgin. Pedestal. 2 statuettes, adoring angels. Tabernacle. 3 statues, Christ between 2 angels. Altar, seating, altar tomb, altar exhibits. 2 bas-reliefs, Saint Etienne. Cabinet in the sacristy. Bronze bell. Little bell. Bronze bell. Reliquary cross. Monumental painting. Virgin of Pity. 25 stained glass windows. Group of stalls. The parish church of Notre Dame contains 3 items registered as historical object. Statue, Saint John the Baptist. Retable and altar seating in the second chapel in the south transept. Bas-relief, arms of the Abbey of Aubazines. Jean d'Aubazine, founder of the abbey. Pierre Bruguiles, born in Aubazines, mayor of the commune, MP Fouquers from 1885 to 1889. Jean-Baptiste Lamond, mayor of the commune from 1890 to 1944, MP Fouquers from 1926 to 1938, magistrate of Andorra from 1937 to 1940. Coco Chanel, hatmaker and clothes designer, spent part of her youth at the orphanage in the abbey and managed by the nuns from Saint Cyr de Marie. Bernadette Barrier, professor of medieval history, University of Limoges. Shinjuji, born in Aubazines on May 3, 1878, died at Sorgues on November 29, 1954, known in religion under the name Marin Juji, theologian, author of numerous works, professor at the Vatican and at Lyon. He worked on the doctrine of the Assumption and on the churches of the Orient, studied Joseph de Maistre and the Greco-Russian Church. Thierry Chenavod, designer and producer of shows since 2007, every year in July the Cistercian lights with huge images at the old monastery of Coiroux at Aubazines. The narration of the show is extracted from the Life of Etienne d'Aubazines text from the 12th century, written by a contemporary of Etienne. A postage stamp with a value of 1.25 francs depicting the Abbey of Aubazines was issued on February 18, 1978. Aubazines Abbey. Communes of the Kurs Department. Gare d'Aubazines Saint-Hilaire. Official Aubazines website. Tourist Office of Pays Aubazines Baynat. The Canal des Moines, the Puy de Pauillac, and Aubazines on the Dailymotion website. Aubazines on G. Copyright Au Portail, National Geographic Institute website. Aubazines on the 1750 Cassini map.